searched for the horse gelatin trick, you've probably already seen a lot of different explanations online. But there's a reason this particular name keeps getting so much attention among men. Hey everyone, I recently started seeing horse gelatin mentioned in different videos and online discussions. And naturally, I wanted to know what people were actually referring to. And the more I looked into it, the more I realized that there's a lot of incomplete information out there. When you first hear the name horse gelatin trick, it definitely sounds unusual. And that's probably part of the reason so many people stop and pay attention to it. But what I found interesting is that there's actually a much bigger explanation behind this trend than what you normally see in short videos. A lot of posts mention horse gelatin, give you a tiny piece of information and then leave you trying to figure out the rest on your own, And when it comes to men's wellness, I don't think guessing based on random clips online is the best approach. That's why I kept looking into it until I found more complete presentation about the idea. It goes into the story behind the horse gelatin trick, why men have been searching for it, and what the complete approach is actually about. And no, I'm not going to try to recreate the whole thing here because there's quite a bit of context that would be missing. So I've left the link in the description below. Click there to watch the full horse gelatin trick presentation and see what this men's wellness trend is actually about. Take a look for yourself and decide whether the information makes sense for you or not.